snap your fingers, say the intro. What's up, fellow Wolfpack members? Tom Wolf here. Here's my awesome Capcom shirt with Ryu on it here, and he's here as well. This is a Street Fighter 5 statue. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, so I have to be kind of quiet. So this is my Street Fighter 5 statue. It's pretty cool. It's like, and yeah, it's pretty cool, but the game's not that good. It's so, it's not that good. But yeah, that's a cool statue from Street Fighter 5 right here. And here is like one of my favorite movies of all time, Street Fighter 2, the animated movie. I'm sorry for doing this very long intro. I'll leave a time link somewhere if you want me to start this playthrough already. But yeah, Street Fighter 2, the anime movie, best movie of all time right here, in my opinion. I love this movie. Nostalgic memories right here. And I am not going to continue this game, so I'll talk a little more at the end of like what's going on with this and the Jake campaign. I'm sorry about that, unless you really want me to, but I don't think I am. I don't have time. I'm a full-time student, full-time work, and it's really annoying. And I also got this game, Resident Evil 5, but I don't think I'm going to do this for my channel either, just because of time restraint purposes. And plus, this game wasn't that great from what I remember when I played it, but yeah, Resident Evil 5 for PS4, and then pretty soon they're going to make Resident Evil 4 for PS4, and I might get that too, just so I could have the whole awesome Resident Evil series, because my favorite in the series are 4, 5, 6, 1, and 0. Those 5 are awesome. The rest I don't really care about too much, but yeah. So, in other words, if you skipped to this part of the video, welcome to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Tournament Fighters. It basically kind of plays like Street Fighter, but then like half of it's like its own game, but half of it is definitely Street Fighter related, that's for sure. And for game level, we'll go to like 5, because this game's like really hard, like trust me. Like 5's already hard enough for me, so I'll go to 5. And let's go to tournaments. I could do story, but then I can only be one turtle at a time, and I feel like I'm gonna die multiple times in this. I'm not sure. Don't take my word from it. Maybe I'll do better than I think. But I'm gonna go to tournament, and I'm gonna keep switching off into the turtles until I beat this game. So without further ado, let's start with my favorite Ninja Turtle, Michelangelo. Even though my personality trait, because I took in like my psychology class, I'm personally Donatello, supposedly. But yeah, without further ado, let's play this awesome game. I love the sound effects in this game, and yeah, it's crazy. Okay, I had to cut and edit because I really suck. So basically, we're gonna have one match for all 4 of these awesome turtles, and I'm gonna be Michelangelo first, and I just want to show off this game basically. So, without further ado, let's do this. I'm not gonna beat the whole game because I feel like I drag it too much and it's kind of like a stale video.
Round 1.
You're just like, yeah. Okay, let's go. I like how you're waiting for me. Jeez. Oh. Jerk. Get out of here. Shit. Man, I gotta win with all the turtles at least. Shit. That's what I have to do. I have to win every match with at least one turtle. That's at least a goal. And then I'm gonna say some stuff at the end of this video, and I'm sorry about Resident Evil 6. Very sorry about that. I feel bad. Michelangelo's like one of the worst ones in this game, but I love the character. This is awesome. Damn it. Get out of here. Shit, he's not even looking. That's how badass he is. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Round 3. Fight.
I think that's bebop. I'm not sure. sound effects in this game. Like I say, this is on difficulty 5 and it's already hard. That is an awesome move. Okay, and now we are gonna be the next Ninja Turtle, and he gets lots of money. Let's see what we fight now. Oh, I have to face Raphael.
Round 1.
Actually, if I face an own turtle, I'm gonna kick his ass, and then I'll play as him. It's only fair. Oh, heck yeah. I love fighting games. My friends are right. I'm obsessed with fighting games. Got it. Wow. Actually, I'm kicking their ass now. I can't face my own brothers.
Round 2.
So I gotta kick their ass and then I'll play as them. I only want to face bad people, the Ninja Turtles. Ow. Hopefully I could win though. Being kind of cocky here. Ooh. Shit. Kills. It's like my favorite place in the game actually. Fighting at a pizza restaurant. Even though that guy's making flapjacks. Well, I think it's a pizza restaurant because it's a Ninja Turtles game. That's so satisfying. Oh, I gotta show this dog off. That dog's really cute. Really cute. Ow. Shit. Raphael, man. Shoot. Oh god. Holy shit.
Final round. Fight.
That was intense. Jeez. Oh shit. Come on, man. Shit. You guys fight like turtles. Damn it. Oh shit, eh? That was satisfying. That was a fun match. That was intense. I didn't even intend for that. Well, I'm gonna be that Ninja Turtle, and that Ninja Turtle, and that Ninja Turtle. Basically, I'm gonna be purple, red, and blue next. Alright, perfect. Ooh, Shredder. I'm gonna be cheap, and I'm gonna be Donatello, so hold on. Okay, we got 3 more turtles to choose from. Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello, and... yeah, I guess we could just go backwards, so... Yeah. We'll go right to left, I suppose. Instead of left to right. Why not?
Round 1. Fight!
Raphael's my worst, but yeah. It's basically my favorite. Like, this is my second favorite Ninja Turtle here. Oh shit. Shredder's gonna be a bitch. But you see, Donatello's really cheap with this stick right here. This is a big reach right here. Shredder might kick my ass, so he's really hard. More crusher. Still gets me. Cheat this Shredder. What bullshit was that? Who saw that? That was bullshit as all hell.
Round 2.
Bullshit. Oh, fuck you, Shredder. Shit. Ooh. I hate Shredder. How the hell does he hit me? There we fucking go. Still. Damn it. Freak, man. He's hard. He's hard. Damn it. Oh, I gotta be Shredder on my channel. He's a dick. Damn, he's hard. He's a tough one. He's a tough one. Capcom.
Round 1. Fight!
Okay, let's go. He's hard. He doesn't like that little shit. Damn, why does he learn? Eat it. Shredder. He's hard. Holy shit. He's a tough one. Damn.
Round 2.
Whew.
Fight!
God darn it. Ow. I like this one. My friend says he has this for Sega Genesis, and I'm curious how that one plays compared to this one. I don't know if it's like exactly the same. I don't know. Either way, but it's a cool game. Oh, there we go. There we go. The headbutt. That would hurt Donatello more than Shredder, that's for sure. It's like a metal helmet. He's like, hell yeah. Turtle power.
Round 3. Fight!
Were you glitching? Bitch. Wow, I'm getting lucky. Shit. Eat it! Fucking hell, dude. Oh shit. That was... Man! Donatello and Michelangelo had some intense fights. Whew. Fuck, man. Jeez. Hope I don't have to face a turtle. Oh, I have to face Michelangelo. Well, I'm gonna kick his ass.
Round one.
Oh, because I don't want to face a turtle. Man, the music in this game is like phenomenal. It's all hell. Oh. Wow. Kind of impressed that this is a 5 difficulty. This is even the hardest mode. Shut up. He's gonna beat me. Oh, maybe not. There we go. So cheap. So cheap. If you exist, it will hit you. You can only get those supers like towards like the end when you have like 2 hits left, so it's really, really scary. It's kind of ironic that I got it towards the end of Shredder. I wasn't even planning it, so heck yeah. Shredder's a bitch. Damn. Shut up. I love the impact of this game. I love it. Damn it, miss. Oh, he's dead. Why didn't you grab him? Oh. Come with another dragon. Yeah. Then I killed my brother. I think it's a bonus stage next. Yes, it is. All I have to do is this basically, I think. It's kind of like Street Fighter. Like these like little mini games. It's kind of like break the card, but you're breaking like money saves. This is too easy with the Donatello. That's all you have to do. Click one button. And if you click it fast enough, he does like that sticking one. This one. Yeah. 6? That's pretty weird that I get 6s on my channel. It's really weird. I love this song. Now let's see. Okay. And Raphael or Leonardo will face a chick. So hold on.
Round one.
Okay. And now we're going to Raphael, and we're gonna save the strongest for last. Who's also the best probably, Leonardo. But surprised he's only my 3rd favorite, but he is technically the strongest in a way. Like he's like the Robin of Teen Titans basically. Alright, so now we're gonna go with Raphael. I don't like Raphael that much. Like, okay, all 4 Ninja Turtles, especially in season 1, all these Ninja Turtles are awesome. I love Ninja Turtles. They're all cool in their own way. But then as time goes by, I didn't like Raphael, yeah, I didn't like Raphael that much. He's like a jerk. I don't know. But all Ninja Turtles back then, they were all awesome. Hopefully I know how to use them. Shut up. Oh, wow. Eat your pizza. Eat your pizza, bitch. Get that one. Her face. Why did you? I might as well just do 2 matches per turtle since I'm halfway there already. Since there's 4 turtles, 2 divided by 4, it's 2. Might as well. Shit. Oh, nice ass. What? Shit. What? Damn it. Ooh. What does he do? Oh, heck yeah. I thought she died. And the killer extra saucy style. Okay. Ooh. Wow, that's crazy.
Round 1. Fight!
Ding buzzard. Oh, you fucking. Ooh. I think this is Fox McCloud's favorite turtle, I'm not sure. Pretty sure. Jerk. It's a free out of here. Oh, jerk. Yeah, get out of here. Nice glitch. Let's kick shit. I like the epic rap battles of the Ninja Turtles versus the actual artists after them, because the Ninja Turtles they're created from actual like artists. It's pretty interesting. Raphael, Donatello, Leonardo, Michelangelo, they're all famous artists. I found that interesting. Ooh. Yeah, eat yours. Eat my dingo. Eat my pizza. And shivery. I love the sound effects in this game. The music's equally on par. I kind of like the music too. Why do I keep missing? There we go. Oh, you joke. I'm surprised this is a difficulty 5. I'm just saying. Very surprised. You know what? Maybe I should just beat the game at this point. I feel like I'm far. Ow. Ooh. Jeez. You fucker. You're kidding me? That was fucking crazy. I'm surprised I make these comebacks. Hell yeah. Jeez, I'm like sweaty. Jesus. Whew. Alright. And Leonardo shall take a shark.
Round 1. Fight!
Hold on. Okay, and now we're gonna go on to our last turtle, Leonardo. Let's go. If I could beat the game, I might as well just beat it, but we'll see what happens after 2 matches if I remember, if Tom remembers. Because I haven't played this game in a while, and I do not know how to use Leonard whatsoever. Nope, that's not how you do that. Oh, ooh, heck yeah. That's nice. Dude, Leonard kicks ass already. Shut up! What else can you do? Oh, heck yeah, he does the Ryu spin? Heck yeah. Oh. Oh. That little spin thing he does, that's a move he does. I'm so ashamed. Okay.
Round 2.
Let's see.
Fight.
Okay, that's how you do it. Oh, I messed that up. Spun right into that one. What the heck are you doing? Why he's not doing the input right now? What the heck? Oh my god.
Round 3. Fight.
Again? Serious? No, my controls broke. That's what I wanted you to do. What? Man, that's really picky. Really picky controls. Seriously? Again? He's still going. He's dead. Heck yeah. I like the finishers in this game a lot. In this playthrough a lot. I'm not planning this. This is crazy. Heck yeah. Cool finishers. I'm facing myself. This should be interesting.
Round 1.
I'm probably gonna lose. Leonardo's still my worst, but... You look like a sick version of him. What'd you say? Oh shit, you're kicking my ass. Seriously, I got dizzy twice. Wow. I got one brutal hit on him. One brutal hit. It's good.
Round 2.
Okay. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Shit. Shut up. By the way, Beowulf, Aragorn Wilderman, Fox McCloud, Dakota M, Andrew King, and Sophie Hunter, and you know, all my wolf facts. You guys are awesome. I like giving shoutouts. And there's like a prostitute on the side.
Round 3. Fight.
What are you waiting for? A bus? Way to kick your ass! Nice. How smooth. Ow. Wow, that's a long reach. Fuck you. I stabbed him. I threw the combo. Damn it. He's waiting for a bus, there's a prostitute, some guy's flicking someone off, and some gangster trying to sell some weed or something. Ooh, not, wow, I'm getting lucky, you know? I love you. Ooh, I said your balls. Ooh, how's your face, dick? Heck out of here. Took way too long. Jesus. That was hard. He was a tough one. Alright, let's see where we stand in this game though. Okay, I did all 4 Ninja Turtles. And, yeah. Now I'm being Michelangelo. And we're gonna face 2 last fighters for this game that aren't shown on the selection screen. And that is the Rat King, and there's like some ninja you face at the end, and she's really hard. It's like a girl ninja, and this guy's the Rat King. He's really hard. This is like the 4th, 5th time I'm doing it. Hopefully I got this down with Michelangelo. Let's go. I love this song. This guy's freaking hard though. Jeez. Seriously, he grabbed it. Fuck out of here. Fuck. That was lucky. Whew. That was luck.
Round 2.
That was lucky.
Fight.
He hates Rising Thunders. What? What? Didn't want you to do that. That is how you fucking beat the Rat King. That was sick as hell. Good job, Michelangelo. Get me some plates. There's your money for pizza. We have news that may cause a big problem among the fighters in the tournament. New information indicates that a very strong fighter by the name of Kyrie, she has challenged the winner of the tournament to a final battle. This is really hard. Really hard. If I beat this the first time, I'm amazing. I'm just saying right now. She's really hard. I think it's a girl. I think.
Round 1.
Yeah, she's a girl.
Fight. Rising Thunder. Rising Thunder.
I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Rising Thunder.
The way she moves is scary too.
Rising Thunder.
Yeah. Fuck you. You're an ass. Whoa, what the fuck? I think I'm gonna have to be Donatello on this one. Fuck.
Round 2. Fight.
She's a tough one. Yeah.
Rising thunder. Rising thunder.
Seriously. Yeah. Oh heck yeah. You like that? Yeah, I need to be Donatello. This is she's freaking hard.
Rising thunder. Dragon breath.
Bullshit is that? Yes, man. No way. You look like a dude. Holds the same pose through the whole time. Fuck. Okay, let's do it again. This is 21 now.
Round
I just wanted to show that.
Fight.
I don't want to keep saying the intro. And Wolfpack, please give me the power to beat this. She's pissing me off. This is like Mortal Kombat 2 unfair right here. I'm not even kidding. Nice kick in the face. Really? I didn't get her. I was in the clouds on that one. Oh, okay. You- That was sick as hell. Those Michael Wayne's were awesome. I'm a party dude. Let's beat this guy.Ck, what's a winner? That was so sick as hell. That was sick as hell. Fuck out of here. Oh, heck yeah. Shit. You're such a bitch. I didn't. I wanted him to spit venom at her like a dragon did. Fuck. Oh, it's still like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to beat this. The hell are you? Seriously. I kinda grabbed you, bitch. Fuck you. I just wanted to show I needed that much more health to win. That much. Fuck. "23rd time. I'm not even joking. I just want to win now.
Round
Let's go.
1. Fight.
I had enough of her. I had a fucking enough of this bitch.
Rising thunder. Rising thunder. Dragon breath. Rising thunder.
God. Fuck those hits, man. Fuck, man. Just want to win.
Round 2.
Come on, Tom Wolf. Shut up. Like,
Rising thunder.
what are you doing? I'll fucking kill you. Damn it. Actually, this gang, it's a good gang close to this one. Kind of surprised actually. Oh man. It's good getting close to this one. You're such a...
Round 3. Fight. Rising thunder. Yeah. Rising thunder.
You're such a fucker.
Rising thunder. Yeah. Rising thunder.
Shit, I didn't hold it.
Rising thunder.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Let's take this.
Yes. Oh, yeah, okay. My god, it took forever. That felt good as hell. That felt good as hell. I'm going on vacation. I'm on vacation of a lifetime. I love the music for Ninja Turtles. Pretty much all the time. Hey guys, meet me in the Bahamas, man. That was it. It was like too extinct. I'm going on vacation. I'm on a surfboard forever. The end. Well, anyways, thank you for watching this playthrough, whoever got this far or whatever. And yeah, it was fun. Michelangelo kicks ass. I just got used to him right now. He's very good. And I say some things at the end of this video. So I recorded before of what I had to say before. So hope you enjoyed. Stay classy. Always eat your pizza. It has something to do with Resident Evil 6. And this game's pretty good too. And I think I showed this in from the intro, but yeah. Actually, no, Resident Evil 5's like whatever game. I'm not gonna play it for my channel, but I'm gonna get Resident Evil 4 for PS4 as well, because as you see, it's for PS4 as well as Resident Evil 6. And I want to get Resident Evil 4 for PS4, so I have all the Resident Evils in HD, because Resident Evil's a great, like, it's a good franchise for 5 games. The rest I don't really care about. But anyway, stay classy, always eat pizza. Here's an announcement if you want to see. Boom Shakalaka, you're awesome. Capcom and Konami used to be awesome back in the day. Take care. And that was bullshit hard, by the way. What's up, fellow Wolfpack members? Samuel here. Thank you for watching Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Tournament Fighters. And here's an awesome shirt I was wearing. Capcom. It's a very awesome shirt. And speaking of Capcom, sadly, I am not going to do Jake's campaign for Resident Evil 6 because it's just like a time restraint thing, because I have to like edit it all and all this stuff, and I'm gonna start full-time school in like 2-3 days, and plus I have a full-time job, and I really just can't manage it. And plus I just have to focus more on like trying to find a career and stuff. I hope everyone understands that and stuff. I feel really bad for saying that when I say I'm gonna do something, but then I end up not doing it. But sometimes I go back and do it, but this one I don't think I am. And probably I'll just like play with like a friend Resident Evil, the Jake campaign, just have fun with it. And I'm very sorry about that. I feel always bad about that. I hope you enjoyed the Tournament Fighters video on this, and I really hope you enjoyed my Resident Evil 6 playthrough with Leanne's campaign. It was actually one of my personal favorites from Tom Wolf. And yeah, thanks for always supporting me and stuff. It's awesome. This shirt is awesome. Like you're awesome. Like this shirt, like you're like all the characters in like one awesome bundle of a wolf or something. Anyways, stay classy, always eat your pizza. Wish me the best of luck for the future. I really need it. Growing up's crazy, and I love you all. I can't believe I did this for 3 years. I don't even care if I even had like 1 subscriber or something. As long as someone just cared for what I was doing and stuff, and I made you happy, that's all that matters at the end of the day. Anyway, stay classy, always eat your pizza. Thank you very much. Thanks for the support, and more videos to come. And my last video will be the top 21 video games of all time. But until then, here's a bunch of, well, you know, this video here and there until it reaches that point. So I hope you like what I offer nowadays and before and all that good stuff. I personally like my newer videos, but just let me know. And yeah, You guys are awesome. I guys and gals and wolf and wolfettes, whatever you want to be called. And if you watch this long into me talking at the end of this video, I appreciate it even more. Have a slice of pizza. Boom chakalaka. You're awesome. Thank you for the support. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome. Oh, and this is Ryu right over here. That's me. Take care.